Hello friends, today I am going to show you how can you customize your tabs. These are the following tabs I have on my screen. For example, the file tab, the home tab, insert tab, draw tab, and so on. So how can we customize? So to customize the tab, you need to understand how the tabs work or how we categorize the tab. For example, this is the home tab and insert tab. Let's go to the home tab again. In home tab, we categorize it into group. For example, clipboard is a group, slide is a group, font is a group, graph, drawing, and edit is a group. And in the groups we have different commands. For example, in clipboard we have a paste command, cut command, copy command, format painter command, and in the slides we have new slides, layout, and so on. So this is how we categorize the tab. So in this video I will gonna show you how you can create your own tab, how you can introduce a different group in your own tab or in any tab, or how can you introduce the command within the groups. So let's begin. First of all, I will gonna show you how can you create your own tab. To do this, what you need to do, you have to go here in a file and in option. Once you click on option, the window will pop up on your screen that will show you the two things here, the customize ribbon and the quick access ribbon. So the quick access ribbon is here. If you see on the top of your window, this is the quick access. For example, if you want to add or subtract anything, you have to click here, and for example, bring to forward I want to introduce here. I will click on it, add, and OK. So you will see the bring to front options appear on my screen, or bring to forward. So now I want to introduce here my own tab. How I can do this? Again, I will go to the file, option. For introducing a new tab, I will go here in a customize ribbon, and in a customize ribbon, for example, I have home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design, and so on. So here I want to introduce a new tab. So the new tab I will rename it with my tab, and in my tab I will create two groups. For example, the one group, add new group. For example, I will grow, there are two groups, I will rename them, for example, A, and I will represent it with this symbol, and another group I will rename it B, and I will represent it with this symbol. Press OK. And the groups, in groups I want to add the following commands randomly, just to show you 3 command in group A and 3 command in group B, and press OK. You will see new tab, or we didn't rename it and we can rename it as well, but the new tab that we add have two groups. The group A that have the following commands moved into the group, and group B. So here is the first thing that I have done, that I have created the tabs. The second thing, for example, I want to shift the following commands from group or from this new tab to the home tab. For example, in a home tab I have this space, or in any other tab. For example, in draw tab I have this space. So from new tab to draw tab, I want to shift these two new groups. How can I do this? Again, I will go to the file, option, customize ribbon, and what I will do one by one, I will select and drag and drop them into the draw group, and it's depend. For example, if I keep them at the end, they will appear in tab at the end, but if I keep them on the top, so they will appear like a first option here you see. So let's click on OK, and we will see in a draw tab, so the group A appear first and the group B appear at the last, because this is the arrangement we have done in the customized ribbon window. So this is the second thing what I have discussed earlier. We will learn three things. The two things I show you, for example, the first thing, how you can create your own tab, how you can shift a group from one tab to another tab, and for example, most of the time you use the commands frequently in your daily office work or on daily work, and you are missing here. So how you can add the few commands. For example, most of the time while making presentation or working on any report, I usually need the superscript and subscript options, like effects, font effects. So how I can incorporate here the similar, go to the file, option, customize ribbon, and what you need to do, for example, to incorporate the command in the home tab, first of all I have to create here a new group. I will rename this group with effects. Okay, and in this effect I will go to the superscript and subscript option. I will select here all the commands, and then I will look for the superscript and subscript. So I will go to S quickly, alphabet. Here I will look for here subscript. I will add in effect. Superscript I will add in here in effect, and okay. So you will see the new group appear on your screen, and this is how you can incorporate many groups in your tab, or you can design your own tab as you like, or customize your tab. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.